Welcome to the Class Wizard feature highlight. In this video, we'll show you how to import and grade student essays instantly, whether they were submitted through Google Classroom, Canvas LMS, or even scanned handwritten work. Start by clicking Import Submissions from the homepage. Choose the course and lesson the assignment is part of, so Class Wizard can reference the right content during grading. Next, choose the rubric you want to use. You can select a pre-loaded curriculum-aligned rubric or one you've created to match your grading style. Give the assessment a name and enter the essay question students responded to. Now upload your student submissions, all in one go if needed. You can upload Word documents, PDFs, and even handwritten responses that have been scanned or photographed. Once your submissions are uploaded, Class Wizard takes care of the heavy lifting. It automatically applies the rubric you selected, analyzing each essay based on the specific criteria you've set. The system evaluates structure, content, clarity, and other key elements depending on the rubric, then generates a suggested grade for each student. But it doesn't stop at just a score. Class Wizard also provides personalized feedback tied to each rubric category. This feedback is written in clear, student-friendly language and highlights both strengths and areas for improvement. As the teacher, you remain in full control. You can quickly review the grades and feedback, make edits where needed, and then publish everything with just a few clicks. What normally takes hours can now be done in minutes, without compromising quality. Thank you for watching. We hope this feature helps make your grading faster, easier, and more impactful. Stay tuned for more Class Wizard highlights.